Hello friends, today we will solve another problem, and you all notice that GeeksforGeek has changed the interface of this screen, this site, and it's looking better than previous. So now let's solve the questions. Today question name is Wi-Fi range. In these questions, n rooms are given in a straight line, and a string is given, a string s, and in this string, a string is a binary string, that is it's contain only 1 and 0. If character of a string is 0, that means this room has not Wi-Fi, and if 1, then this room has Wi-Fi. As you can see here, where si is equal to 1 represent that there is a Wi-Fi in ith room, and 0 represent not Wi-Fi, and an integer x is given which denote the range of Wi-Fi. That means in last we have to return true or false. If all rooms are getting Wi-Fi network, then we return true. Else if any rooms are not getting Wi-Fi, or we can say that network is not reaching in any room, then we return 0. So we can now see the approach of these questions. Here in these questions, rooms are denoted by binary string, that is 0 1 0. In example 1, n is equal to 3 and x is equal to 0. That means 3 rooms given and the range of Wi-Fi is 0. Here is given in first room denoted by 0 1, then 0, means this room has a Wi-Fi and these two have not Wi-Fi. So if the Wi-Fi has some range, then it get network. Then these both which have 0 get network if this has some range. But here given x is equal to 0, that is this Wi-Fi has not range. So this room and this room not get any network of the Wi-Fi. So in this case, not all room getting Wi-Fi network, so we output is 0. In second example, n is equal to s is equal to 1, that is 5 rooms are given and range of Wi-Fi is 1 unit. That means room first, second, third, fourth and fifth, 1 0 0 1 0, and range of this Wi-Fi is 1. So this has already Wi-Fi, so it get network. This has not Wi-Fi, but this can get the networks by these rooms, because this Wi-Fi has range 1, so from that he get network from here. Now we go to here this has not Wi-Fi, so it can take from here, it can take network from this Wi-Fi. This room has Wi-Fi already, so this has range 1, so it can take Wi-Fi from here, and also this can take Wi-Fi from this room. So in this example we are seeing that all the rooms are getting Wi-Fi network, so we return true, that is 1. Target, you can see target, we have to find that Wi-Fi network is reaching in all room or not, and I have written some steps. First we check the value of x. If x is equal to 0, that means range is 0, Wi-Fi range is 0. So if anyone, we run loop and check if any room has value 0, that means have not Wi-Fi, so we return false, because Wi-Fi has not range. So if any rooms has not Wi-Fi, then it can't take network, so we return false. Otherwise we we count the all number of 0, and we check if number of 0 greater than x, that is range of Wi-Fi, then return false. That means check if any one condition not satisfied, in last return true, that is one, that is true. Let's we check the code now. Let's we check the code. Here a boolean function is given, integer n, that is length of a string s, and int x, that is Wi-Fi range. We have taken ij as counter integer and c, that is count, for counting 0. Here if x is equal to 0, that means if Wi-Fi range is 0, then if any room has 0, that is Wi-Fi, not Wi-Fi, then return false. I have already here written the condition. And else x not equal to 1, then go to here, we run loop I is equal to 0 to n, and if si is equal to 0, then count करेंगे, then we do increase the count. If not 0, then go into the else, that means si is equal to 1, then we go into the else part. If count greater than x, then return false, that means number of 0 greater than x, so return false, otherwise, or we initialize count to minus x. And if count greater than, if count greater than 0, then return false, and in last, if any condition not satisfied, then last we return true. Let's we check the one example of this code. Here we have taken 1 0 0 0 1, and here 1, and range is 1, that is x equal to 1. So x not equal to 0, so go into the second part, that is x equal to, here taken 1, then we run loop, and here is 1, so we count not 0, so not 0, then we go into the count is equal to minus x. Also count is not greater than x, because in initial we count equal to 0, so count is equal to minus x. So count is equal to, that is c, is equal to minus x, that is minus 1. And we go to the second iteration, that is 0. If 0 we get, then count, we increase count, so c is equal to minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. Then again 0, so plus 1, that is we increasing count, plus 1. Then we go to here 1 is, then we first we check if count is greater than x, no, 1 not greater than 1, so we go to the we again count is equal to minus x, so count is equal to minus 1. Then here we got 0, so increase, that is 0. Here we get, go to the 1, that is count is equal to minus, again count is equal to 1, then we not increase, we assign count is equal to minus x, that is minus 1, we get minus 1 here. So we get a negative value, that is count is minus, so in last it is not satisfy any condition, so if count is positive, then return false, otherwise we return, in last we return true, that is true. Also we can see this example by 1 0 0 1 0 1. This room get Wi-Fi from this room get Wi-Fi from this room has not Wi-Fi, so get anyone from anyone from room. So all rooms are getting network, all room, so we return true. Also we get from code true condition, so we run the code, compile. Now we compile this code. So we get true value. Now we submit this code. Code has been submitted successfully. Also get 1 gigabits. So we've taken 2 attempts, 50% accuracy. So that's all. Thank you.